In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in a Mailerlite landing page in 2025 step by step. First, log into your Mailerlite account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From there, go to the left-hand menu and click on Sites. Inside that area, open the Landing Pages section. This is where you can manage existing landing pages or create a new one. Next, either create a new landing page by clicking New Site or open one you've already made. If you're starting fresh, choose a template that fits your goal, or start from scratch if you want full control over the layout. Once your page is selected, click Edit to open the landing page builder. Inside the editor, open the Blocks section and look for the HTML or code block. This is important because Mailerlite typically uses an HTML block to insert video embed code. Drag that block into the section of the page where you want the video to appear. Try to place it in a spot that makes sense visually, such as below a headline, beside a call to action, or within a content section. Now you'll need your video embed code. Open your video on YouTube, Vimeo, or any other platform that gives you an embed option. Click Share or Embed, then copy the full HTML embed code. Be sure to copy the complete code so the video displays properly when pasted into Mailerlite. Go back to your Mailerlite landing page, click on the HTML block you added, and paste the embed code into the code field. Once it's inserted, you can adjust the video size, if needed, by editing the width and height values in the embed code. This helps the video fit better within your page design. It's also a good idea to make sure it looks clean on both desktop and mobile views. If you want to center the video, you can wrap the embed code inside a div with text align set to center, and then close that div after the embed code. This is a simple way to improve alignment, and it's a commonly recommended method for embedded video placement in Mailerlite. When everything looks good, save your changes or click Done Editing, depending on the version of the editor you're using. After that, open the landing page preview and test the video carefully. Make sure it loads correctly, plays without issues, and looks good in both desktop and mobile view. Finally, click Save and Publish or Publish to make the page live. Once it's published, open the live URL and test the video one more time to confirm everything is working as expected.